JLG Industries presents the proper operation video for the JLG ES1330L. Proper training is the first step towards qualifying an operator to operate any classification of MEWP equipment. The operator must also be familiarized with the specific machine model that they operate regarding the features, functions, devices, limitations, and operating characteristics which are outlined in the Operation and Safety Manual. The keys to safe and proper use of an MEWP are in the following 5 steps: workplace inspection, walk-around inspection, function check, proper operation, and proper shutdown. Every day, as you prepare to use an MEWP, you should take the time to remember these 5 steps. You must not operate any machine until you have read, studied, and understood the Operation and Safety Manual and any other required manuals, have completed training under the supervision of an experienced and qualified operator, and have familiarized on the specific machine you will be using. Before using each day, and at the beginning of each shift, you must conduct a pre-start inspection of your machine. This video focuses on proper operation only. Always refer to your Operation and Safety Manual for the complete pre-start inspection procedure. The JLG ES1330L is of MEWP classification Type 3, Group A. It is designed for indoor use only. Once you arrive at the worksite, it is very critical to clear the area of hazards before operating. Always walk your worksite to check the pathway prior to operating in that area. Check for overhead wires and their height compared to the machine's lift height. Keep in mind that your machine does not provide protection from contact or proximity to electrical current. Follow the minimum approach distance guidelines as outlined in the Operation and Safety Manual. Check for holes, bumps, drop-offs, debris, and other potential ground hazards. Physically identify hazards with paint, cones, signs, and other items that will stand out. Maintain at least 2-foot distance away from these hazards. Always maintain 3 points of contact when entering or exiting the platform, and ensure the platform gate closes and latches. Attach the lanyard to one of the lanyard attachment points, and always keep both feet firmly positioned on the platform floor. To drive the machine, position the lift drive mode selector switch to drive. While using the trigger function enable switch, push the joystick forward to go forward and pull backwards to go backwards. Position the machine underneath your intended work area on a firm, level, and uniform supporting surface. Use the extension deck to better access certain work areas. To extend the deck, press your foot down on the locking mechanism lever. Grasp the top handrails and push forward until the locking mechanism pin locks into the forward platform extension lock. Position the lift drive mode selector switch to lift. The trigger function enable switch on the joystick must be pressed and held for a function to be activated. Tilt the joystick back to lift up and forward to lift down. To steer the machine, use the steer control switch positioned on top of the joystick with your thumb. Left will steer left and right will steer right. Place the machine in a well-protected and ventilated area. When you have finished and are ready to exit the platform, fully lower the platform to the stowed position, press the emergency stop at the platform controls, maintain 3 points of contact when exiting the platform, and face the machine until you are on the ground. Press the emergency stop on the base frame, turn the key selector switch at the ground controls to the off position. Remove the key to prevent unauthorized users from operating the machine. Properly operating the machine helps you to complete your work safely. Beginner operators should practice these safe procedures before operating on actual work sites with an experienced and qualified operator. If you require further clarification on properly operating your machine, contact JLG at 1-877-JLG-SAFE or visit us online at jlg.com.